question.
I will take questions after.
Can we ask a question? I sent you a video this week, and I spoke to your receptionist, and I wondered if you received that. It was a Rochelle Pollock video, an MP4, wherein it's been disclosed by her and her family in that Casby and Pitt situation. They actually, according to her, found two missed bodies that might be the missing men, one from Marquette, Todd Trudeau, I think, might have been discovered in that particular pit. And
Why don't you and I meet afterwards in the back and we can talk about it? Because I haven't seen it yet. I'm unfortunately very tangled up in some oversight committee issues with
Right.
the water issue and everything. So my
Yeah.
last week has been extremely busy, but I'd be happy to talk with you.
yeah, it'd be great. It'd be great.
Thank you, Alfred. Thanks for having me.
Well, I don't know about you, I disagree with the folks who wrote to Representative McBroom and said he was not a Daniel. I think we got two Daniels right here. And so we're so thankful, we know that you understand our